Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to repay your TikTok PayLater balance step by step. Whether you're using GCash, online banking, or 7-Eleven, this guide will help you avoid late fees and even increase your credit limit. So let's get started. First, open your TikTok app. Next, tap on Shop section at the bottom of your screen. Here, swipe left on the top menu until you find Pay Later. In this section, you'll see your available credit, the amount due, the due date. To start the repayment, tap on Repay. Now, you'll see a summary of your due date, including the total amount and due date. Tap Continue to proceed. You can pay using GCash, internet banking, or 7-Eleven. For this tutorial, I'll use GCash. Tap on GCash and then link now to connect your GCash account.
A few moments later.
Awesome, my GCash is now successfully linked. Tap OK to confirm. Now select your linked GCash account from the list. Tap Pay to finalize the repayment. And that's it. Payment successful. Here's the best part. After completing my repayment, my credit limit increased from 7,000 to 8,000 pesos. Now I have extra purchasing power with TikTok Pay Later. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my uploads. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.